Protein powders. So one of the biggest questions I get, Manuel, which protein powder should I use to lose weight? Do you even need it? Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends, and today we're gonna talk about all about protein powders, and finally we're gonna clear all these questions about protein powders for weight loss. The first question is, does protein powders help to lose weight? Well, let me tell you something. No and yes, maybe, right? Well, protein powders are needed as supplements. Remember, food is first. But at the end of the day, what matters is calories. So just taking a protein powder is not going to trigger weight loss. Number one. Number two, the next question that I always get asked is, all right, Manuel, how much protein powder do we need? All right, well, let me tell you, I'm gonna put this back here. Let me tell you that the moment someone goes into a weight loss mode and exercising, their body needs more protein. That's it. Why? Well, you wanna prevent muscle breakdown by losing weight. You don't want to lose your muscle as you lose the weight. You want to lose fat. So by upping the protein, by eating more protein, you help your muscles, you help maintain muscle from breaking down. Second, protein helps with hunger control. And as you know, I've done a lot of research on hunger control and weight loss. And protein definitely helps. Third, keeps your metabolism efficient. So adding protein throughout the day keeps your metabolism very efficient, and that is helpful to lose weight as well. How much protein do you need? Well, someone needs somewhere between the 0.5 grams to 0.6 grams per pound of body weight. So if someone weighs 175 to 180 pounds, that person is going to need at least somewhere in between 100 grams to 110 grams of protein a day, and that's a lot of protein. So now, of course, remember, protein is a supplement. Try to meet your protein needs by eating food first. But protein comes handy. Like, for example, if you're going into the gym and you're in the locker room and you want to take your protein shake, because that's what you can do, right? You're not going to eat a chicken breast in the locker room, or maybe you can. I wouldn't do it. So I bring my protein with me. Or perhaps you don't want to eat all that meat as you lose the weight. And if you're a vegetarian or vegan, you need protein supplementation as you lose the weight to meet those requirements. So now, how to choose the right protein? Nowadays you can find all kinds of proteins. We have whey protein powder, pea protein powder, rice protein powder, soy protein powder, and even collagen protein powder. So let me talk about collagen protein powder, since I already mentioned it first. Not all protein powders are created equal, by the way. You gotta buy the protein powder that it will meet your needs, your goals. For example, collagen protein powder is high on glycine, not in leucine. So it's good for face, skin, and joints, but not so good to build muscle, because you need leucine in order to trigger muscle buildup. Leucine, you need about 2 to 3 grams, and that helps to trigger muscle building. Leucine is not Lucy. Hello, Lucy. No, I'm not Ricky Ricardo, by the way. So leucine is one of the essential amino acids. Also, you want to make sure you find your branched chain amino acids in your protein powder, because those are needed for protein synthesis, meaning protein building and maintenance too as well. Watch your labels, watch your calories, make sure it's protein powder and not a meal replacement. Many times people come and show me their protein powders. They think it's protein powders, but they're actually meal replacements. So one scoop of protein powder should be somewhere in 110 calories to 120, but if it's costing 200 calories to 250, most likely it's a meal replacement and it's not just protein. So we're talking about just protein powder. The next thing is, does plant-based protein powder help? Well, you have pea protein powder, rice protein powder, and soy. You need to make sure that you buy a protein powder that have a mixture of all these plant-based protein powders, because plant-based protein powders, just pea protein or just rice protein, are incomplete proteins, and you need to make sure you have a combination of these plant-based protein powders. So when you buy it, read the labels. Like this rice is a combination of different protein powders. Your pea protein powder alone, just pea protein powder, may not do the job because maybe lacking leucine, the amino acid that you need to build muscle or maintain muscle as you lose the weight. All right, so I hope I have cleared up all these questions about protein powders and weight loss. At the end, you want to buy what you like, what tastes good for you. Cost, yes, cost is important. And also to make sure if you buy a plant-based protein powder, it has a mixture of different plant protein plants. All right, so now we're gonna make a shake, of course, a smoothie actually, which it will require some water. I like my smoothies to be somewhere in the 350 to 380 calories per smoothie, or 300 sometimes, but make sure that it's not just fruit. I like to add vegetables to my smoothies to add more bulk and fiber. So in this case, I'm using zucchini and carrots. And then, of course, fruit for the carbohydrate. I love canned peaches. This was in 100% in their own juices. By the way, canned food and frozen fruit are as nutritious as fresh. And a lot of people have a lot of bad ideas about them. And this is frozen mango, and I love frozen mango. And when you buy canned food and frozen fruits or any food, actually you will save time because you're not gonna be cutting, peeling, washing, and you actually don't waste, which I love. And they're easy already almost to be used. Then we're gonna add some heart healthy fat. Fat is needed to add in the smoothies because the fat can help absorb the fat soluble vitamins and phytonutrients. And also I like walnuts, and for this smoothie goes well with that. Some chia seeds and a little more fat, and provides omega-3 just like the walnuts. We're gonna add some cinnamon powder and lemon juice. By the way, the link of this recipe is in the copy. And then we're gonna finalize with a protein powder that meets my requirements. It has enough leucine, branched-chain amino acids, and it tastes delicious. That's what I like, and you choose what you like. All right, so now we take the smoothie going. All right, my friends, so this thing is done. Looks beautiful. We'll see if it tastes delicious too. Yes, looks creamy. I love creamy smoothies. They're the best. Let me see. Wow. Very good. So I hope you have learned something today. Know how to choose your protein powder if you want to lose weight. And remember, you can find more information on my blog. If you want to work with me, if you need help, any assistance in losing weight, and you need a customized meal plan, you can look me up at manuelvillacorta.com. I do offer a 20-minute phone call that we can, I call it a discovery time phone call, where I can hear your goals, I can explain my program to you, and see if we're the right fit. Okay? So look me up, ManuelVillacorta.com. All right, my friends, thank you so much, and until next time.